Second topic, and this was actually a question that I've been asked multiple times from healthcare clients. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using AI-based cybersecurity tools versus traditional tools? So first and foremost, AI-based cybersecurity tools, I would say they excel at detecting threats in real time because they're just faster than a person ever could be. And they can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, and they identify things like patterns and anomalies that might indicate a security threat. This is real-time analysis, and it helps in catching threats much faster than traditional tools leveraged by people. And this often is something that, the traditional tools, they rely on a predefined rule or a signature, and AI doesn't necessarily have to do that. AI tools, I'm finding, are more adaptive in nature. And the reason is the tools learn from each incident, and they're continuously improving their detection and response capabilities. So this means that they can adapt to new types of attacks and threats without needing constant manual update